Hi, welcome to 2825 Plaza del Amo, Unit 102. It's a 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1839 square foot home built in 1993 in Park Plaza estate. It has a beautiful private patio where you could enjoy a morning coffee or an afternoon breeze in South Bay. Living room features large bay windows that lets in ample sunlight along with the gas fireplace. Couple steps up to a formal dining room, which could be easily used as a home office. The home has wood floors throughout. Convenient downstairs powder room along with the kitchen with the garden window overlooking the pool and the clubhouse of the community. Upstairs, lots of storage spaces and wood floors as well. Primary bedroom features a dual door entry, walk-in closet, bay windows, and vaulted ceiling. Ensuite primary bathroom features double vanity and a shower and a tub. The shower's been remodeled recently as well. There are 2 additional bedrooms and a hallway bathroom upstairs. One of the bedrooms overlooks the pool and the clubhouse and has a walk-in closet. The other has a mirror closet door, also overlooking the community amenities. Downstairs, you'll find 3-car garage, which one has been converted to a storage room. Park Plaza is a beautiful gated townhouse complex located in central Torrance, very near to Madrona Marsh and Wilson Park. Community amenities include a clubhouse with an exercise room and a dry sauna, along with a pool and a hot tub. Playground for kids, tennis court, and putting green as well. This is truly a remarkable home. If you would like to schedule a private tour, feel free to reach out to me. My information is below.